use all the water?
Let me feel the texture. Oh, no more water. Just with both hands. Flip it. The garlic, put it the same bowl.
The same bowl, okay.
Very,
Okay. Now it's
I need to get all of it.
yes.
Okay.
You eat this?
Yes.
Okay.
Amanda, please. You're going to put the line. Just go in by the half and then squeeze it. Take off the seals.
I know exactly what I'm doing.
Wanda, then put your video over here and get them frying.
Yeah, I will too.
So good.
Slow, like this.
Yeah.
It's very. In fact, you finish.
Okay,
Can
well,
I see
I'm
it?
not going to do anything else.
Okay, leave it like a tortilla. Just
Okay.
yeah,
You want me to fill this one?
yeah. Oh yeah, you can put it.
Yeah, there's one. Yeah, one more.
We might be able to fill that one. Fill that one. Oh,
It's beautiful.
what
Wow.
kind of oil?
Sunflower.
It looks so good.
Jenna, he said sunflower oil.
Sunflower.
He said very forgiving in temperature. You don't.
Yes. But the first thing we are going to peel the pumpkin.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's easy.
It's easy. Sorry. Yes, I will give you the.
Well, it'll be easier when they're more.
Why don't you help peel first?
The time, please.
All the
Remember?
time.
Yes, all time move.
I got so scared.
Remember? The cilantro is ready. Bring it here, please.
No, I wasn't videoing.
We are going to use the chicken broth as well for make the rice
Yeah,
and for blend the ingredients.
yeah. Okay.
And the sesame is ready, Amanda. Yes. Okay. Then we're going to do the dessert. This one is easy, it's easier than tortillas. Finish. Right. Parsley. Tomato sauce. And we finish with the dried cheese.
Can I try it plain?
Plate?
Can I try it plain?
Start playing.
Beautiful.
And then the tomato broth.
salt. And we're going to let it boil it for a little bit more. In a bowl, the same process.
Same thing.
Same thing.
He makes it look so easy.
Yesterday, Stephanie made a good tortillas.
Oh, she did?
Yeah. I was impressed with her. Yes.
Oh, wow.
I asked for her, are you looking? This one, the first thing that when they invented it in Guatemala, they make like a tortilla, like this, making a light. And then you are going to make press with the left hand, and you are going to start rolling.
Oh.
The idea is that you need to be deeper, to make deeper. We're going to put the chocolate inside. Don't be greedy, 3/4 is okay. Okay. And then when you finish, put close all together, pinch it, and seal.
Wow. You're amazing. Can you come home with that?
Yeah.
And he's making the things. We missed it. One day he's flipping with his hands. Do you know my students, even my American students, don't know who Israel is?
Yes.
Good.
I'm very small.
Oh yeah,
They
Julie
will-
has like a super tiny.